How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's June 20th. You know what that is? Legends Tour. Again, welcome back to the channel, everybody. So glad each and every one of you can make it. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm supposed to already be on the road, but my belly is telling me, feed me. So I gotta make a quick stop by Mickey D's, but we are on our way to Legends Tour from Hot Wheels, or better known as Mattel. I don't know how much I'm going to actually record, and you're fixing to have sun in your eyes. I don't know how much I'll actually record. I normally get a bunch of the cars, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that this year. I think I might enjoy it myself more and record less. But we'll see when we get there. Things change. And so let's get there, shall we? And like that, here we are. Look at that bad boy sitting right there. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a fun day. Hey, we'll do a quick little walk now. Get your backpack out. Now that's a bright green. Oh yeah, I see a beautiful blue Camaro. Look at that Supra. Oh wow. Souped up. Back up. We'll definitely get more of that one, but listen to that bad boy. And that's what it's all about. Getting your car made into a Hot Wheels. Here comes the next one to get their photo taken. Wild wrap on that one. Definitely looks good on the car door. But yeah, part of the fun is just watching all the cars roll in. 5th gen. And lots to go. We're just getting started. Just met up with Rico, Bobby.
Thanks.
Say hi, everybody.
What's up?
Yeah, this is one of the cooler parts, is watching the cars come in.
Folks, Beetle in a little combi. That was it. I may go in there later.
That thing's gonna take up 5 parking spots. Here comes Mr. Steve. Mr. Steve and Rico checking out some vendors. Just about to let us in. Could ride in that all day. You know you're there when you see this. us all come outside so they can make us all come back inside. RLC is long, as always.
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
Ooh, yes sir, Rivy. That's a beauty. There's the glam vet.
Went on YouTube and I was watching and everything, and
Well, you wouldn't have known, like you can notice it now, but if you didn't have it, it wouldn't matter.
and I did the black, so it's not as pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, just cut it out and everything. It's different. Yeah, I mean that's good. This is a Dodge. This is a Chevrolet.
No, it's
Big battery like that. Check out the back. Yeah, it works too. Yeah, you get it.
I painted my supercharger lid.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
even with heat resistant paint, it turned yellow.
Yeah.
And so I bought an extra. I was looking through Facebook Marketplace, and a guy had a supercharger lid. And he was looking like $100 for it. Yeah. I was like,
No way. No way. I bet. I'm telling you, you can find bills, right? I mean, that's yeah, I see what you're talking about. Same way. I mean, you can't tell. It looks good though. So is this wrap? Like that.
Oh yeah, I remember these very, very well.
A basketball. Basketball. Oh, maybe you can climb on it.
Your camera's not going anywhere with that camera mount. Man, yeah. Everything color changed. Thank you so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, stick around for part 2, coming soon.